Hey guys, as the reliance on artificial intelligence increases, securing an interview and obtaining a financially rewarding job are becoming increasingly difficult. The growing prevalence of AI in the requirement process poses a significant challenge for job seekers aiming to advance their careers. Looking ahead to the next decade, the landscape of several professions may undergo drastic transformations due to the rapid advancements in AI technology. These professions could either fade away completely or undergo substantial changes that redefine their roles and functions. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, here are 7 jobs that will be extinct in 2030. The first one is assembly line jobs. The act of blue-collar workers uniting and asserting their rights against the employers in the factory is a constant source of inspiration. However, it is disheartening to realize that artificial intelligence remains indifferent to such efforts. Tasks traditionally carried out on assembly lines, which often involve monotonous manual labor and simple product assembly, can now be efficiently executed by machines driven by AI technology. In fact, this has been the case for several decades. The continuous progress in automation has paved the way for the emergence of new job sectors where humans are responsible for overseeing and managing these automated systems, at least for the time being. The second one is data analysts. While it is improbable that the role of human data analysts will be completely eradicated by AI, it is evident that significant changes lie ahead for this profession. AI has the capacity to analyze vast amounts of data and extract valuable insights, thereby enhancing the efficiency of data analysis processes. This advancement in technology may potentially diminish the demand for manual data analysts who perform these tasks manually. Nonetheless, human data analysts continue to hold a vital position in the field. They play a crucial role in setting the objectives of data analysis, interpreting the results, and providing essential context to the findings. The human element remains essential in ensuring accurate and meaningful analysis, as well as translating the insights into actionable strategies for businesses and organizations. As AI continues to evolve, it is likely that the role of human data analysts will evolve as well. Rather than being replaced, their responsibilities may shift towards more strategic and complex aspects of data analysis, where human intuition, creativity, and decision-making are indispensable. The third one is bank tellers. Can you remember the most recent occasion when you found it necessary to visit a bank branch in person? Based on the data provided by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, it is anticipated that the demand for teller positions will experience a substantial decline by 2031. This decline can be attributed to the automation of various banking processes, leading to a projected loss of more than 43,000 job openings in the field. With the proliferation of ATMs, the convenience of online banking, and the widespread implementation of automatic paycheck deposits, the demand for in-person banking services has plummeted significantly. The advent of these technological advancements has revolutionized the way individuals manage their finances, rendering the need for physical visits to a bank branch almost obsolete. ATMs, with their ability to dispense cash, process deposits, and even facilitate certain transactions, have enabled individuals to conveniently access banking services outside traditional business hours. Another one is data entry specialist. Data entry, characterized by its repetitive nature, is an ideal candidate for automation through AI, as it eliminates the boredom factor that often affects human workers. AI algorithms have the capability to process and input data in a highly efficient manner, surpassing the abilities of manual data entry performed by humans. By leveraging machine learning techniques, AI models can analyze patterns in data and execute repetitive tasks with exceptional accuracy. Unlike humans who may experience fatigue or make errors due to the factors such as distractions or physical limitations, AI systems remain consistent, reliable, and free from human fallibility. With the ability to learn from vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can quickly adapt to different data formats, structures, and sources. This adaptability empowers them to handle diverse data entry requirements efficiently and effectively. Another one is cashiers. The employment of over 3.3 million individuals as cashiers in the United States indicates that the complete replacement of this job is not an immediate outcome. Nevertheless, there is a projected decline of around 10% in cashier positions by 2031, largely attributed to the rise of automation. This decline signifies the potential loss of approximately 330,000 jobs within this occupation. The introduction of self-service kiosks has already revolutionized the retail landscape, allowing customers to independently select and pay for items without the need for human interaction. These automated machines have streamlined the checkout process, providing convenience and efficiency for shoppers. However, it is worth noting that even with this level of automation, human intervention is still required in certain cases. For instance, if an item exceeds the weight limit in the bagging area, the machines rely on human assistance to resolve the issue. Another one is drivers. Despite the current high demand for drivers, the future outlook for this profession presents significant challenges. The advent of automated vehicles brings forth a potential threat, but not an immediate one, as these vehicles become increasingly advanced and capable of operating autonomously. The necessity for human drivers could potentially diminish. While the complete transition to automated vehicles may not occur rapidly, it remains a possibility that could have profound implications for the job market for drivers in the long term. The continuous progress in technology and the development of sophisticated autonomous driving systems indicate that the role of human drivers may undergo a substantial transformation. The impact of this transition extends beyond individual drivers to various sectors that heavily rely on transportation services, such as logistics, ride-hailing, and delivery industries. The potential disruption caused by automated vehicles raises questions about the future viability of driver-related job opportunities and the need for workplace retraining and adaptation. And another one is fast food workers. The fast food sector has been driven towards automation as a response to labor shortages and the accompanying rise in wages. Self-service kiosks have emerged as a solution that enables customers to independently place their orders and make payments, eliminating the need for human involvement. These kiosks offer convenience and efficiency, streamlining the ordering process while minimizing potential errors or miscommunications. Furthermore, automation has extended beyond the customer-facing aspect of fast food establishment. Food preparation tasks, once reliant on human workers, can now be automated through innovative technologies. For instance, White Castle, a prominent fast food chain, has introduced Flippy, a burger grilling machine, in select outlets. This advanced machine utilizes robotics and artificial intelligence to handle the cooking process, enhancing efficiency and consistency. Additionally, delivery services within the fast food industry can also be revolutionized through automation. AI-powered robots or drones have the potential to replace human delivery personnel, providing swift and efficient transportation of orders from the establishment to the customer's doorsteps. These autonomous delivery methods can help improve order accuracy, reduce delivery times, and enhance the overall customer experience. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, do you know any other jobs that will probably be extinct in 2030? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.